Yes, guys. Autobots Prime! Wait, don't tell. Don't tell it. It must be something else. You guess what's inside. You guess what's inside. Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox. So the chain, give it to me. Yes, I'm gonna open it now. Let's see. What is Autobots Prime? Wait, don't tell. It must be something else. Wait. Let me see about this corner. What's inside? You guess what's inside? You guess what's inside? Wow, a big box. What is? Wow! That shape! Oh. Autobots Prime! I don't know what's inside. So big! Oh, wow! Wow! So they can give it to me like this. Whoa! With. Whoa, okay. Okay, let's open this. Wow. Look. Look guys. It can be like this. You see that? Wow. It can be a car and it can be a robot.
Autobots, transform!
See? Wait, I'm gonna... Yeah. Stop it. Look at this. There we go. This is much harder I thought. It's much harder I thought. But guys... This is much harder I thought. All of them are really kind of hard, Mom. Guys, look. So this is a fit. Look. Look. And for the feet, you do this. You open it like that, and the other one like that. And for the hands like this, you open this one and there, and this one already opened it. It can be spin like this, like that. Or everything. Here, this is the one. This is the one I'm making for. Gonna make a bumblebee like that. Oh. Straight on the card. Let's straight on the card. Let's straight on the card. Look guys, I'm gonna show you something. Put it back on the car. I saw something like here. Wait. Ready now. Oh my god. What did you say? Go. Now it's back to a car. Back to a car now. Did you enjoy my video? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell and thumbs up. Bye. 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 Bye.